Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a forest fairy named Luna. Luna was a kind and caring fairy who loved to take care of the forest and all the creatures that lived in it. She spent her days tending to the plants and animals, making sure they had everything they needed to thrive. One day, Luna noticed that the forest was starting to change. The trees were becoming scarce, the animals were disappearing, and the air was becoming polluted. Luna was worried and didn't know what to do. She went to the wise old owl, who was the guardian of the forest, to ask for his help. The owl listened to Luna's concerns and knew that something had to be done to save the forest. He told her that humans were the cause of the forest's destruction, and that they needed to be educated about the importance of environmental conservation and respect for nature. Luna was determined to save the forest. She knew that she had to act fast. She went to the humans and taught them about the importance of taking care of the forest and all the creatures that lived in it. She showed them how to plant trees, how to clean the air and how to protect the animals. The humans were shocked and saddened by the state of the forest. They had no idea that their actions were causing such harm. They apologized to Luna and promised to do better. From that day on, the humans worked with Luna and the other creatures of the forest to restore it to its former beauty. They planted trees, cleaned the air, and protected the animals. They also made a pledge to use natural resources sustainably and reduce pollution. They worked together to create a plan for how they would preserve the forest for future generations. As the forest began to heal, the animals started to return, and the air became fresh again. Luna and the humans celebrated their success and continued to work together to ensure that the forest would remain healthy and vibrant for generations to come. Luna was pleased with the progress that had been made, but she knew that the work was far from over. She decided to embark on a journey to spread her message of environmental conservation and respect for nature to other communities. She visited various regions and met with different groups of people, including children, local leaders, and communities, to educate and raise awareness about the importance of taking care of the environment. One day, Luna came across a small village that was facing a similar problem. The river that flowed through the village was becoming polluted, and the fish that lived in it were dying. Luna taught the villagers about the importance of cleaning up the river and preserving it for future generations. She also showed them how they could work together to make a positive change. The villagers were inspired by Luna's message and her passion for environmental conservation. They worked together to clean up the river and to create a plan for how they would protect it in the future. Luna was proud of the villagers and their commitment to preserving their environment. She continued her journey, traveling from village to village and spreading her message of environmental conservation and respect for nature. Wherever she went, she inspired people to take action to protect the environment and to work together to create a better future for all. The message of this story is that environmental conservation and respect for nature are important for the health and well-being of our planet and all the creatures that live on it. It's important to use natural resources sustainably and to reduce pollution. By doing so, we can ensure that our planet remains healthy and vibrant for generations to come. Luna's journey in the story serves as a reminder that we all have a responsibility to take. Good night, children. Thanks for watching.